going to show you in this video how to make the duality face that we used for the test duality assignment. First thing you're going to do is take a piece of paper and draw yourself a circle. Then you're going to extend that circle out so that you kind of have an egg shape. You're going to flip that around and erase out your guidelines that you don't need. Remember, you should be going light till you get it right. I have to draw a little bit darker than I would really want to because of the camera. So the next thing is going to be to make a guideline from the top of the skull to the bottom of the chin, and another one about halfway down the face going across. And now we're ready to make our center line. We're going to start with a dot at the top. I said, think about it like plotting lines on a math graph. So you're going to come over to the right side, make a curve that swings to the left side. That's the point of the nose. And then go back over to the right side at an angle, kind of like an arrow's head or a less than sign. Go back the other way. Then you're going to go back one more time. So now I have sort of what looks like a Z at an angle. Okay, I'm going to make a letter C next. That's the bottom lip. So nose, upper lip where the mustache might go, bottom lip. And the last move is sort of like a backwards S. So use the top of the C and come back. When you get that where you want it, you're going to take your eraser and get rid of all those guidelines. And the next step is to cut it out and put it back together again. Okay. So since I am making this video, I'll go ahead and cut it out. First, I'm cutting the X shape. All the way around the outside edge. Put the scraps aside. I might use them again. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is cut out the chin. Try to stay on your lines. I'm doing it really quickly for the video purposes. Quality counts. Coming back. And finally coming up to the point of the nose. So now for this test, what you have to do is put emotions, 2 different emotions. So one would go on this side, one would go on that side. And then you're going to color the whole thing in. You can see an example of a finished duality project under the assignment tab. Go to assignment test duality. All the directions are there in writing, and then you can look at an example of a finished piece which has an A for a grade. Thanks. I'll see you in art class.